Hello there, and welcome back to the Mark Wing podcast for Law Solicitors. My name is Ellis Sweetenham, and this is another episode in the Trademark Basics series. Today I'm going to be running you through quickly the trademark symbols. Now this is something that you should be aware of and probably see every day of your life, but you may not be very clear as to what they mean. When I talk about trademark symbols, I'm referring to the little R in a circle and the little TM that you may see on a number of brands as you just go about your normal day. So for example, I'm sat here looking at a Coca-Cola bottle and I can see that the Coca-Cola label has a little R in the top right corner of the logo straight on the front of the bottle. You may also see logos here, there and everywhere on branding that have a little TM in the same position, a little TM in the top right corner of any logo, brand name or so forth. You may be wondering what is the difference and what is the important one, and this is what the podcast today is going to explain to you. So firstly, starting with the little TM. This is actually a symbol that has no legal standing, so it isn't a legal symbol and therefore doesn't have many rights and does not really indicate anything in particular. It's normally used quite widely for business who want to label something as being included within their branding, but it may not be a registered trademark. So normally this is used for logos or slogans or product names that necessarily may not be able to be a registered trademark, but they still want to include within their branding for the overall picture. You will normally find that businesses will include the TM, as many people believe that it refers to a registered trademark and therefore potentially may put off other people trying to copy that. However, the symbol for a registered trademark is the little R, as you will see on your Coca-Cola bottles. This symbol indicates that the logo or the brand name or the slogan that it is attached to is a registered trademark within the UK. That is a legal symbol, and it is actually a legal offence to place that on any brand or logo that isn't a registered trademark. It is very, very important that if you are placing that on anything at all within your branding, you are being very clear that what it is being placed next to is a registered trademark. You have that registered certificate in your hand and you can evidence that within also your terms, and if anyone was to raise that with you, you could evidence that that is a registered trademark. This symbol is very important, and as I said, this is the one that means something. This is the one that means that it is a registered trademark, and therefore we would highly recommend that when you do successfully register your trademark, which here at Laudit we can certainly assist you with, you are placing that R symbol on there to ensure that anyone looking at your website, marketing, products, anything like that, is very, very clear that you hold a registered trademark and you are very sure about your intellectual property rights. The inclusion of this symbol, as I said previously, can work wonders in preventing people from copying your brand or trying to take advantage of your rights, because it's very, very clear that you know what you're talking about when it comes to intellectual property and you'll have your rights covered there by a registered trademark, which is a really, really good tool in helping you stopping other people from trying to copy your brand and ruin your reputation. So, in order to use that R symbol, you need a registered trademark. I would highly recommend that you listen to the rest of the podcasts in the Trademark Basics series, and if you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to get in touch with the team at Laudit. We can talk you through the whole process, whether that is filing your application, potentially being on the receiving end of an issue in terms of a trademark, or looking to take some action in relation to other people who may be breaching your rights. Please don't hesitate to get in touch. We will not charge you for every minute that we call. We will not charge you for every minute that we speak to you. We are here to help you. Business friendly, cost effective advice, and we are more than happy to chat through things with you and get a plan of action in place. So, as I said, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Check out our website www.laudit.co.uk or give us a ring on 02380 235 979 and one of the team will be happy to chat to you. So we're wishing you a successful week and we hope you will join us soon again on the podcast for Laudit Solicitors. Thank you for listening.